What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka 2 Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, I'm actually getting ready for my trip. I'm heading to Georgia. By the time this video is uploaded, I will probably be in Georgia for at least a day, but I'll probably be there for about a week. I do plan on meeting up with some of the homies. This trip is mostly for family, but while I'm there, I'm definitely gonna see what I can do about making time to hang out with the homies and get some of the cars while we up there in Georgia. But that's all contingent on what's gonna happen at Nissan. So I'm about to head there now, get my oil change, hood latch recall done, and they're gonna do a full inspection just to make sure everything's good. I don't think I have any issues other than that. So yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and head on to Nissan. All right, so I am here. They're going to go ahead and take a look at it. Oh, I also forgot that I had the my parking brake. That light stays on for some reason, so they're going to take a look at that while I'm here. But as I pulled up, this caught my eye. They're pretty clean. I'm thinking it's somebody who works here. I know they usually do park people's cars like when they're done over here, but since it's just sitting here, I don't know if they went away or what, but it's pretty clean. I think they're 22s. Looks a little bigger than the 20s. But yeah, let's take a look at a few things. I did want to take a look at the Pathfinders. I haven't actually seen them in person. Well, no, I've seen them in person. I haven't seen them up close. I'm just kind of on the road and stuff like that. This is definitely clean though. I like the new logo or emblem. It's pretty clean. This one, let's see, $39.9 for this one, the SV. This is only 2-wheel drive, but it's pretty clean. I was thinking about getting one of these. Getting it for my car, but I don't know if I want to go through all that. It'll fit, definitely will fit. Like, that actually fits really well now that I look at it, because that's the color of the wheels and then the color of the car. So yeah, that'll work. That's pretty clean too. Frontier. I might have to check the price on this. And the black Pathfinder. But let's check the price on this one. Let's see. 38. 4x4 V6. It's 38. Not bad. I like the color. I was kind of hoping they would have a GTR in there, but it's been a while since I've seen one here. I'm a fan of these Titans too, especially when they lift it with some nice wheels. Now this is the side where I believe they can get them ready for test drives and when people are picking up cars. Because when I got my car here, this is where it was when I went to get my test drive. The new Rogues look good too. They're pretty clean. I don't know, I've been a fan of a lot of their new vehicles. Armada. That thing is a beast. I'm not even gonna go over that one. Got the Altimas, excuse me, got the Altimas lined up. Got the Kicks over there, the new Rogue, Altimas. We'll go ahead and look at some prices and look around. I probably won't record too much here. Just if I see anything that catches my eye or anything, I'll pick the camera back up. But most likely, what's gonna happen is be picking it back up when the car is done. So stay tuned. Alright, so they weren't able to fix the light just yet, so I'm gonna have to come back for that. you know, and of course had to air all the way up to get on the lift and everything, and can't believe I used to ride like that. Different wheels, but still. Alright, so get ready. Gonna air out. I think this is probably a do it for today. I won't do any recording anything else. I'll probably just wait till tomorrow when I'm about to get on the road to head to Georgia. Oh, but let me know if you guys are interested in us getting a little ultimate meet together while I'm in Georgia. If you're interested, let me know down below. Alright, so about to hit the road, head to Georgia. I think I'm at 3/4 of a tank of gas, so stop to get some gas, that way I don't have to a little bit later. And I have the trash on the car, so I can take the trash out, and I don't put the trash in my car because I don't have space in the trunk, and it definitely ain't going on the inside. So drive over to the dumpster before I head out. I don't know if I'm gonna pick up, if I stop I might pick up the camera, but other than that I probably just be able to see y'all tomorrow when I get there. Alright, so I am here. I've been here for a couple days now, and it is freezing. It's about 40 degrees colder, and it's raining, so it's not a good combo. But hopefully I can link up with some of the homies while I'm here. I do have to also still work, so that's gonna hinder some of the process, and I know the homies work as well. But yeah, we'll go ahead and get into that. That's pretty much going to do it for this video though. I'm going to see if I can link up with some people. I might throw a post on Instagram or Facebook, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace.